All right, so if you come to your lock and you plug in your code and you get this warning, what that's telling you is that your battery's almost dead. So you've got to change your battery. And it's underneath this plate here. So it's just 2 screws. Should be easy. All right, so you're gonna need a driver or a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you put it in reverse. I'll put it right in there. Oops. And here we go. Not bad. Let's get the bottom one. All right, don't lose your screws, okay? I'm just gonna set them down. All right, let's pop this off. All right, so there's our battery right there. So we gotta get it out of there, and you gotta pull the top off right here. Okay, so just, you gotta kind of work at it a little bit, it'll pop. There it is, that one's gone. Now we got our new Amazon battery, and we're just gonna hook it up. Bam, done. Now we're gonna slip it in there like this. That's it. Now we got to put our thing back. So you just got to make sure that you line this and this up. So here we go. Bam, no problem. Now you got to take your drill, you got to switch it to forward, right? And then we're going to get it right in there. And bam, Bob will be your schmunkle. Very easy when you get to the end, you know what I mean? So here we go. All right, now we can go check it. We gotta go outside and look. All right, to test it, I'm just gonna lock it. Okay, it's locked, right? So now, if I plug in my code to get in, it should just go green. If it goes red, then it means that battery's no good. But you're not gonna get to see my code. All right, check it out. Now I can unlock it. Bam, Bob's your uncle, we did a good job. And that's it right there. If you like this video, buy these things on Amazon. They're great. I love them. Got them on every door.